Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make soup beef updated. Start by searing beef until deeply browned, then deglaze the pan with a splash of beef stock. Add chopped onions, carrots, celery, and garlic, stirring to combine. Pour in more stock to cover, add bay leaf and pepper, and simmer gently until beef is tender. Finish with salt, fresh herbs, and a squeeze of lemon to brighten the broth. Brown the beef in batches to avoid crowding, which ensures good caramelization and flavor. Use a heavy-bottomed pot or Dutch oven and moderate heat to render fat and develop crust. Scrape up brown bits and deglaze with stock or wine to capture those flavors. Simmer low and slow, skimming foam occasionally, until collagen breaks down and meat becomes fork tender for a rich, silky broth ready to serve. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and like if you're finding this helpful. Quick recommendation: musical notes bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, perfect for playing kitchen timers and cooking playlists. I use one to keep hands-free while I simmer soups. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider supporting the channel if you enjoy these updates. Now let's get back to the video. Layer flavors by adding roasted bones or umami-rich ingredients like soy sauce and tomato paste. Include whole spices such as peppercorns and bay to infuse without overpowering. For bright balance, finish with fresh herbs, a splash of vinegar, or lemon juice. Cool broth quickly and refrigerate within 2 hours, or freeze in measured portions for easy reheating. Reheat gently to avoid breaking emulsions, and adjust seasoning after warming for best taste.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.